Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on my video. And just to let you know, on my channel, you are going to find a lot of hygiene hauls because I've really been into those and I've been loving to get, I feel like I'm treating myself. Someone in the comments said, it's like treating yourself to your own spa. And I agree with you. I wish I could remember your name, but you would know who you are and you could let me know in the comments and I will pin that comment for sure. Anyways, so those are the things you're going to find. You're also going to find Bath and Body Works hauls and reviews and things of that nature from Bath and Body Works. I love it. You can look on my page and you will be on my YouTube page and you can see exactly other videos that I have. I sprinkle in the makeup, I say, but I know I haven't done one in a while, friends. My boys, I have 3 boys. They're all going to be starting school going Tuesdays and Thursdays as of April 1st. All 3 will be in there and makeup takes me a long time, the tutorials to do. And those are the days that I'll possibly be able to start those up again. What else? Oh, and by the way, Austin, my 7-year-old, he starts back in school tomorrow. The first graders and kindergartners, I believe, they start tomorrow. So they start before the older boys. And I want to do a little vlog. It's not going to be long, but I want to have it on my channel for myself so that I always can look back at happy and not, I don't know if I'm sad. I'm kind of like with mixed emotions just because of everything that's going on. But I'm excited for him. He really wants to go back and I just pray that everything's going to be good and we will take it from there. So that is what you guys will see on my channel. To my subscribers, you guys know I tell you every single time, I love you guys. Thank you for tuning in to my videos. And I have a haul, as I was saying, and let's just get right into it. I'm looking at this Target box, and I am so disappointed at deliveries recently. You guys have seen my other hauls where some of my boxes have been messed up. Not all from Target. One of them was Bath and Body Works and then there was another one. But I don't know what's going on with these people that deliver if they're just throwing everything, because I don't know why this box would just break like that. I hope everything is intact, but let's just find out. It looks like I could just open up this box this way. I think everything's going to be good because of the products that it is, and they put it in these plastic bags. I have some more Tree Hut, friends. Yes, I know I am collecting now Tree Hut as well as all these other products that I have. Look, I didn't even have to cut the box open. It was practically open for itself. Hopefully I received everything. I have another box though, so I will get into that one in a minute. And I let you guys know that these Eos lotions as well. I'll show you which Tree Hut it is. I just have to take these things out of the bags, but it's packaged pretty well. Then it has tape and all that. Here is this Eos lotion, friends. This is the Jasmine Peach, and now I have all 4. I'll show you the other one that came in this package. And okay, I went ahead and opened this, all the packaging off camera right now because I was having a difficult time with that. But this one right here, I don't know if I already said it, Jasmine Peach. And I was smelling this one. And it smells so delicious. I do smell the jasmine and the peach mixed in here, but the jasmine is stronger on here in my opinion. And if any of you if you guys have not tried these Eos lotions, what are you doing with your life? Like, seriously, get you one of these. Any of the 4, I think, in my opinion, are really good. That's why I decided to collect all 4, which I'll show you all 4 in a minute. But here I have the next one. We have the Pomegranate Raspberry. Look at how pretty the pink is. You guys know I love pink. This is like a lighter pinkish color. I don't know if the camera's catching that. This one's way lighter pink. And then this one's a darker. And this one is Pomegranate Raspberry. And I'm gonna... Oh, it smells so good as well. A very sweet scent. So the pomegranate and the raspberry mixed together in here makes it such a good sweet scent. I can see myself spraying myself with one of the Bath and Body Works like sweet scents. The velvet, what is it called? I recently bought it. Anyways, I'm looking at this too right now because I have this one. I could even put it in with Winterberry Wonder and look, it kind of matches. Yes, so I can see myself spraying it with the sweet scents on this one. Let me show you the other two. And I'm also going to go ahead, in case you didn't watch my last video of a huge hygiene haul I had here on my channel, where I hauled these two in there. I'm going to go ahead and link it down below. But this is the vanilla cashmere, and this is such a favorite. I did use it last night, friends. I know yesterday I didn't share that I used this one, but I used this one with my pink cozy, I forgot. It's the Victoria's Secret spray that I have. I forget the names, friends. I have too many. I've recently been hauling so much that I forget the names of the newest ones that I've bought. But yes, so I use this one, and this is so good. Out of all four, I like all four. Definitely get this one. I think that this one would be good for everyone. But it is a vanilla scent. If you don't like vanilla, don't get it. But I think it's a good one for everyone. And this is Coconut Waters, which I also love. But I know a lot of people don't like coconuts, so I can't say everybody go get it. But if you love coconuts like I do, get you this one as well, okay? So those are my Eos lotions. Those last two I just shared are from my last haul that I will be linking down below. Now, the scrub that I bought some other ones. I have another box I have to open, is this Tree Hut Exotic Bloom. Let's take a little sniff of it. You know, since this package was all thrown around, of course, there's going to be some on the top, which is fine. Oh, this is like a perfumey smell, I think. It smells really good. I don't know what to describe it as, but it says Flor Exótica. In case you don't know, I do speak Spanish. So it smells so good, like a perfume, maybe even cologne-y scent. But wow, this is so good. I would definitely pair this one up more with like a very perfumey scent. Maybe like Into the Night, something like that. I don't know. This is a good one. And let's show you. This is a baby dove that everybody, if you've been watching the hygiene videos, you know everybody's been talking about this one. Baby dove fragrance-free wash for your downstairs area. So we're going to try this one. I'm going to have, when I do my empties, I'm going to talk about the last one I just used up, and I'll let you guys know how I feel about that one. I won't be repurchasing it, but I'm going to try this one next. And I've always used the Dove soaps actually for that area. And I was like, well, might as well, why not use, I think it should work out pretty good since it's from Dove and I used those soaps before. Now here's the other box. I've already cut it open, and there is two more Tree Hut scrubs in here. We have, look at these. I am collecting them, yes. Sorry, not sorry. I am loving having this collection. I love these scrubs. I feel like they leave your skin so soft. And I think they are more abrasive than the Dove ones, but I feel like these are better at leaving my skin softer. I still use the Dove as well, and I'll keep using them, but I will always, I just want to collect these, as many as I can. Sometimes the ones I'm looking for are sold out. Now, someone else as well told me about this one, and that you guys are my influencers as well. Someone in the comments let me know about the pink champagne. Also, let me know, and I just want to let you know that I picked it up. I was looking for it because you recommended it, and it's a little messy. I want to smell it, but ooh, this smells so good. Oh, I think I do agree. So I was watching a video. Is it Cameron Hope? She has like a nice video on all her scrubs, and she's the one that's made me want to collect them as well. Actually, it is her that's made me want to collect them. I've subscribed to her, and I will see if I can link her video down below. Oh, this smells so good. I think she compared this one to champagne toast. So Tisha, you need to get this one. Yes, this is a good one, and now I can't close it. Now the next one right here, I don't know if you guys can see. There's too much glare from my window here. We have the Island Bliss Shea Sugar Scrub Coconut Smooths and moisturizes skin. Exfoliante de azúcar de carita. I love the Spanish part, how it has that on here. And I believe in that her video, she said she didn't really care for this one, but I think it's because she doesn't like coconuts, and I love coconut scents. I don't know if I really get coconut from here. I like it. This is a softer scent than this one right here. Actually, this one I would say, in my opinion, is a softer scent than the other two, than these other two that I've bought. Let me get someone's opinion. He's not going to want to get on video, but I am going to go ask Alex if he thinks he can smell the coconut on this. And that is my 14-year-old. If you guys don't know, watch that video from yesterday and you guys will see him. All right, friends, I convinced Alex to come to the video for a little bit to see if he smells coconut in this, because that's what it says it has on here. And I told you that I didn't think it really smelled like coconut. So we're gonna have Alex, and I bring him in because you guys, my subscribers, like him on my videos, and not only that, you guys think that he's pretty good at his scents. So go ahead and smell it.
I don't smell any coconut at all.
See, I didn't either.
It smells good though.
It smells really good. I agree with that. I really like it.
Is it named like coconut or something?
Well, look, it says coconut.
Oh yeah, it's just called coconut, but I don't smell any coconut.
It's called Island Bliss, I guess, because, you know, islands, they have coconuts, but I don't smell the coconut, friends. But it does smell good. What do you think it kind of smells like, though?
I recognize the smell, but I don't know from what.
Yeah, me neither.
I just know it's not coconut smell.
Yeah, a perfumey smell as well. Mm-hmm. But it smells good. All right, he's free to go.
Okay.
I have to convince him, friends, to like come to my videos. Like, he just wants to play his games, which I understand. It's the age. He likes it when he's in the videos, but then it's like getting him started, sit down and do the videos part that he doesn't like. All right, we have two things from Walmart, and that is because from the last haul as well, this worked out really well for our family. In fact, my husband was like, how come you didn't buy more? And that's what I went to go do. Buy two more of these. And you guys know these are the viral ones on TikTok, and even here on YouTube, everybody talks about them. This worked really good. Just follow the directions on the back, and this is the mild mint. I haven't tried any others because I don't want nothing too strong, and that's why he actually liked it, because he says it's like not strong at all, and it works. It's pretty good. I don't know about that whole 24 hours. I mean, we don't try it for that, but your morning breath is not so bad. I recommend this. So yes, that's why I went to go get two more, because we're all using them. Alex likes it too. Aiden uses it, except for the little one. Austin does not use this. One last thing that I have, and it's from Amazon, but I wanted to show you guys. It's where I'm thinking of keeping some of my Tree Hut scrubs in the shower. I just went onto Amazon and was looking for, what did I put in the description? I just put shower caddy or something. I can't remember. All right, and so here you go. Yeah, I just put shower caddies. That's what I remember. Let's see. See if it's perfectly. Now I just have to figure out how to hang it up with these things that I don't understand how to use things like that. But maybe my husband can help me. Ooh. So I can put, it looks like I could probably put 6, because then I can stack another one on top like this. Yay. Yeah, so this is what this is gonna, you know what? I think I want to get another one to put some shower. Anyways, this is what I bought one just to see how that's going to work out. But I think I want some more things, because if you're into the hygiene, you need more shower storage so that you can keep some of your things in there, so you can have a variety and pick out what you want to use for that day. That's all that I have as far as a haul. Let me show you guys something else that is truly exciting. I don't know. Brenda, you were asking me on Instagram, when do I think we will get more coupons from Bath & Body Works? Isn't that funny that you were asking me today? I went to my post office and look at what I got. I got another coupon. You know what? It's my address, but it's not my name. I mean, yeah. It says Marsha. I don't know who Marsha is, but I'm Marsha. I'm Marsha now. So yeah, I am keeping this coupon. Let's see, and it expires April 18th. This is what I'm thinking. Bath and Body Works, the last 3 days, friends, has not had any good sales, have they? You know, when I get up, first thing I do, if you are anything like me and you're addicted to the Bath and Body Works, go to top offers. I don't check anybody's website. I don't check nobody's page, no Instagram, nothing like that. I go straight to Bath and Body Works and I check on my top offers, and we've had nothing the last 3 days. Horrible, but it's okay because I've been able to save that money to be able to get some stuff when they have a good sale. And now I have a 20% coupon off that I expect candles to be on sale this weekend. If not, that's what I want to save this for. You guys know I always want to use my 20% on candles so I can get them cheaper and I can get some more backups. What else? Now, this is something that I think I've noticed as far as how they're doing their sale. Last weekend, Bath and Body Works had the candles $15.95, right? That was the sale for the 3-wick candles. I don't know why, but I think this weekend's going to be $10 off. I think what they're doing is testing how much is sold on the weekends that the candles are $15.95 to see if they'll keep it at that price for us and bring those prices up, or if they're selling more at $14.50. So this is why I suggest for us to try. I know it's okay. I'm not going to blame anyone, even myself, if I get 1 or 2, but try not to buy as much for that $15.95 so that they can see, meaning Bath and Body Works can see that we're not going for that price. We want at least our $10 off for the sales for us to stock up on those candles. That's just my opinion. Let's see what happens this weekend because we've had no sales. Let's see what kind of sale they'll give us this weekend. I'm thinking it's going to be candles, but if it's not this weekend, maybe next weekend for the 3 weeks. And I can save that coupon for that. So that is that. So you guys will know that a haul will be coming. And I don't know who Marsha is, but I'm Marsha because it actually does have my address. That's my address. And now I'm Marsha. And how funny is that I was never getting coupons before, and now I got one for somebody else's name as well. That's all right with me. Okay, now scent of the day, I used 1 in a Million, which is really good. Floral scent, I really love it. And it has jasmine extracts, tuberose oil, white gardenia, pink pepper, cashmere musk. This is such a good scent, but I don't have the spray for it. So Beautiful Day is the spray I used. And I also don't have the body lotion or body cream or anything for this one, which eventually I will get it. But this one has sun-kissed apple, sparkling cassis, wild daisies, pink peony, and fresh woods. That's what I'm using today. I love the way that smells. And for tonight, we're going to go with the very light scent, just smelling fresh as soon as I come out of the shower. We are going to use Magic in the Air. Almond flower, sparkling persimmon, white iris, white vanilla bourbon, and fluffy sandalwood is the notes for this one. On my eyes, as I've been sharing with you guys what makeup I'm using, is this nude palette from Huda Beauty. This is the medium. The medium one, because she has like 3 nude ones, I think. And there's like 3 levels. This is the medium one. And here you go. I'm using these 2 on my lids mixed. And then I mixed these 2 in the crease. I just go back and forth. I use this in the lower crease and a little bit of this one on the lower part right here. Lipstick I have is a lip liner from Urban Decay, which I've shown before. It's the color Liar. And then Milani, I love their lipsticks. Nude cream. No lip gloss today. So this is what I'm using today. Now that is all that I have for you guys. I think it is a long video. I hope you guys are still here. If you are and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. To my subscribers that stay to the end, I love you guys. You guys are the real MVPs. And I just want all of you guys to stay blessed, be positive. That is all I want to share on YouTube and anywhere that I go, anywhere that I am, because there's so much negativity in this world that I honestly hate. Looking at it, knowing about it, it's just horrible. So thank you, my friends. Stay blessed. Bye. Until next time.